How to fix Snapchat error code SS07. Well, first just try to update your Snapchat account. It should fix the issue. If it still doesn't, then this is the step you need to follow. Open up your browser and search for Snapchat unlock. Once you search for Snapchat unlock like this, click on my Snapchat account is locked. From here, scroll down and click on my account was temporarily locked. And here where it says here in blue color, click on it. It'll take you to Snapchat login page. From here, just log in into your Snapchat account, and at the end, it's going to show you an unlock button. Click on that and your Snapchat account should be unlocked. Like from here, enter your username or email and then your password and then click on unlock. And if it still doesn't work, the last option is just scroll all the way down and you want to click on the option called I can't access my Snapchat account. And at the top, you will see Snapchat support. Click on it. From over here, scroll down and click on my account is compromised. And over here, fill this form up by entering your username, email, and at the end, click on submit. And Snapchat will contact you in whatever email you write over here and help you fix our SS07 error. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.